Yes. Come in. Does anyone know how to help him? Me. I know the answer. Okay, you go. Now, open your mouth. It's not healthy. Mom, make a healthy burger patty.
Okay. Here you go.
Now let's make it healthy. It's a healthy patty. It's a healthy tomato. It's a healthy cheese. And healthy onion. Ketchup is not healthy. And this is a healthy burger.
Thanks.
Good job.
Next!
Allergy.
Now your turn. This will help. Yummy! Aha! Let's take a closer look. Marshmallows are not healthy. Mom, give me some strawberries.
Okay.
Much better. Wow. Finally.
Thank you, Nastya.
That was perfect. Next. Next. It feels bad. Okay, guys. Who knows what to do with this cute dog? I guess I'll have to pick. You go. This will help. Guys, help! Mom, we need water!
Hold on.
You need to watch what your pet eats because it's really important for his health. Come on, spit out your gum. It's not good for your health either. Thank you. Stay healthy, guys. Next video.
Hello there!
Hello. Wow!
No, no, no!
Do you have tickets? You have to pass 3 challenges to earn money for tickets. Yay! Let's go! The first challenge is to craft a house. Choose your material.
Choose your material.
Pool equipment.
Uh-huh.
Surfing boards.
Surfing boards.
Recycling.
Recycling? Ew. Wait, I've got an idea. Let's see. Wow. Where do I need to put this? Recycle is fun. 1, 2, 3. Yan. Yay! Oopsie! Okay, let's see. Let's see what we have. Sand. Really good.
You like it?
No, I don't like it. I love it. You got it. Let's see the next one. Let's see. Whoa. This one, no. This one, there's no red. This one is really pretty. Tasty. Matches my sunglasses.
You like it?
Oh yeah, this is giving me tropical vibes. You got it. This one looks interesting.
I like it!
Oh, okay. I trust you, I guess. Okay, you got it. Yay! Let's go to the next challenge. Whoa! For the next challenge, you have to craft an outfit.
These are your materials.
Slippers. Shell. Pinwheel. Oh wow, that outfit looks good. Wow! Kite! Wow! Pool noodles! Ice cream? Let's go to the final challenge. The last and final challenge is to make a summer smoothie. Wow! Good luck, and by the way, there's going to be a lifeguard to help you.
Okay.
And now, let's pour it into the glass.
Let's see. You all completed the final round. Yeah! Let's go. Yay! Now you can finally go to the water park. Yes! Next video. Oh, this is so funny. This trend is already over. Pink hat! Pink hat! Hurry! Hurry! Come on, faster, faster!
Okay.
Hello, huh?
I'm right here!
Oh, yeah.
Go!
Oh, yeah.
No. A real mummy? Why does he want clothes? He's all wrapped up. Wow, we've got to do something about this.
Yes, what do we have to do? I've got an idea! Pink hat, bring me some tools.
Aye, aye, boss.
Faster! Come on! Let's build something. And now we wait.
Shh.
We did it!
Job well done.
Thank you so much. You're welcome. Dad, come on! Come on! What happened? What?
Got it.
Faster!
Hey, burglar guy, can I borrow that, please?
Try to look at it.
Where's the mixer?
He has it. It's
You
impossible.
sure?
Give me money. Give me some money. Give me some.
Give me the mixer.
Okay, yeah. Just gonna make that.
Thank you. We have to make juice for the vampire.
Yeah.
Let's go. And garlic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's treat the vampire.
Yes, indeed.
Let's go fast. Faster, faster.
Thank you, thank you. You saved my farm.
We got a call. We got another one.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, yeah. We're out of here. What happened here?
What happened?
Giant werewolf. I got everything on camera.
Let's connect.
Yes.
Interesting. It's a werewolf. I know what to do. We need snacks.
I really wanted to save these for later, but...
No, not these. Not Jonas. This is what we need.
This is what I need.
Sit quiet.
This is my lunch.
No, sit quiet.
I don't need the dogs. No. What are you doing here? No.
Now we wait.
No. What are you? No.
Oh, thank you, guys.
You want the key? You want the key? Huh?
Yes, please. I don't
You're
think
not
so.
getting it. You're not getting it.
Job well done.
Too much. Can you be quiet, please? Quiet, I said. No, not helping. I got a zombie here. Help! We might have another call. Let's go! What happened?
what's going
Can
on?
you do something with him? He's playing on guitar and I can focus on my homework.
I got this. This is a piece of cake.
What?
Problem solved.
I don't think so.
All right, let's feed the zombie. That's what we'll do.
Deep sleep.
Let's feed the zombie.
Let's do it. Thanks. You're welcome. What? What? Are you serious right now, bro? Oh, pink hat.
What a day.
Oh, yeah. Next video.
This is stupid. Come and play with me.
Candyland, Candyland, calling all kids, come on in. It's the amazing Candyland.
Candyland! Candyland. Wow. Hi.
Hi.
One ticket, please.
Wow, big spenders. Here's some tickets for you. Oh, I can't even get it out of my pocket. Where did it go? Here it is. One ticket for the Candyland.
You. One ticket, please.
Okay, here you go. Here's some tickets. I hope it's super sweet.
Thank you. Wow, so many stuff.
Hey, girls. Why don't you come over here and play this awesome game? Come on. Hey, girls, get in line.
No. Kylie, you're cheating. Yes. Yay. No. Yes.
Ha Hey girls, come on this way. I've got a bunch of candies and cakes that I want you to see. It's gonna be sweet. Come on. What, no money?
Maybe next time. Got it.
Go forward.
Wow! I gotta go get that dog. Come here. Come here, doggy. Hey, come here.
Yummy. Yummy cake. But you stole it. Sorry, I can't be friends with someone who cheats. I'm sorry. Can you give me a chance? Okay, one last chance. Let's try. Okay, thank you. We have to fix everything you've done. Let's go. Hi. Do you want to play with us? Yeah, sure. Let's go. Let's go. You can go first. Thank you. Blue. And great job. Take this ice cream and excuse me. Thank you, no problem. Here, this is for you. I'm sorry, Candyman. I was wrong. Bubble tea! Yay! Oh, so heavy. Okay. Bubble tea for everyone! Yay! Wow. Now ice. Wow. And syrup. Wow. Yummy. There you go. Thank you. Thank you. Bubble tea! It doesn't matter if you make a mistake. You just have to fix it.
Hey, what's this?
Next video.
I am a detective, Daddy.
I'm a detective, Nastya.
Attention! Attention! Panda wanted! Panda wanted! Attention! Attention! Panda wanted! Panda wanted!
Okay.
Hey, hurry!
I did nothing. What are you doing, huh?
Here.
Attention! Attention! Panda wanted! Panda
Let's
wanted!
go.
Attention!
Hurry
Bandit
up,
wanted!
hurry up.
Bandit wanted!
Ah, okay.
Hold it!
Hey, I didn't do nothing. I'm just trying to repair this lock.
Are you breaking into the house?
No, I'm trying to repair the house.
Stand still. I gotta do my job.
I didn't do nothing. I am not guilty.
Stand still.
Who's that guy over there?
Stop talking and stand still.
Get inside. And stand there.
Attention! Attention! Bandit wanted! Bandit wanted!
Come on, let's roll. Hey, stay where you are.
What are you doing here?
I can explain.
Oh, it's terrible.
We have to collect evidence. We're gonna solve this mystery. I'm gonna call my lawyer.
Call.
Wait, hold on. No.
1, 2, 3. Bingo!
Take your seat.
Lunchtime.
Let us go! Let us go!
Let us go! Let us go! Let us go! I make a hook and get the key. I think we're going to get free.
Wake
You're
up!
not guilty. Wake up, please. You sleep too much. All you do is sleep. I'm not guilty. It's me, Tulio the Tool Man. See?
I'm not guilty. I can show you. You see?
I'm innocent. Look, I was doing my science project. You can't judge a person by how they look. Look!